Good morning, everyone. How's the Josh? Louder. So, good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to this two-day National Conference of CA students. With us, we have esteemed Chief Guest of the Day, CA Sunil Talati, sir, uh, past President of ICI. We request Purushottam Khandelwal, sir, Central Council member, Sunil Sanghvi, sir, Chairman of Ahmedabad branch, to Rinkesh Shah, Chairman of Vikasa, Neerav Agrawal, Vice Chairman of Ahmedabad branch, to escort the Chief Guest of the Day, Sunil Talati, sir, to the dais. A big round of applause. Also request Vaidehi, to be on the dais. Yes. A big round of applause for her as well. I request all the Chartered Accountants students to rise up for the ICI motto.
सुप्तेषु जाग्रति य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्विमाणः निर्विमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शतः सर्वे तदूनाद्यति कश्चन एतद्द्वैत 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 एतद्द्वैत.
Now I request all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais to join us for the lighting of the lamp. I request Rakesh Agrawalji, Bishan Shah, past chairman of Ahmedabad branch, Samir Chaudhary, managing committee member, to be on the dais for the lighting of the lamp as well.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shatru buddhi vinashaya dipajyotirnamostute dipajyotirnamostute. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah.
Thank you, everyone. You know, the best part of students' conference, while we, as Ahmedabad branch, Vikasa committee were managing the entire things for this National Students' Conference for 2 days, the best thing that happened was we had booked a venue for 1,000 to 1,200 students. And we were happy when we had to cancel that venue and we have to move to this bigger venue. Such a kind of response we had. Also, kudos and a big round of applause to you all participants for attending in this huge number. So we have crossed 2,500 students registration. So next, I request CA Sunil Sanghvi, sir, Chairman of Ahmedabad branch, and Purushottam Khandelwal, sir, Central Council member, to felicitate our past President of ICI, CA Sunil Talati, sir, with a bouquet and a moment. Now it's my privilege to felicitate our Central Council member, CA Purushottam Khandelwal sir, and also request CA Rinkesh Shah, Vikasa chairman. We both will be felicitating our Central Council member, Purushottam Khandelwal sir, with a bouquet, memento, and a shawl as well. Now I request the entire team Vikasa to be on the dais to felicitate our chairman of Ahmedabad branch, CA Sunil Sanghvi sir, with a bouquet and a memento. The entire team, yes, be on the dais. One thing, hope I'm audible. Is there any echo that is coming up? So we'll get it sorted. Hope all is well, right? Okay, now I request Chairman of Ahmedabad branch, CA Sunil Sanghvi sir, to address the gathering, the students as well.
Respected today's chief guest and past president of ICI, CA Sunil Bhai Talati sir. Let's have a big round of applause for the sir. Our Central Council member, CA Purushottam Bhai Khandelwal. Vikasa chairman, under whose leadership this conference has been designed, CA Rinkesh Shah. Vice Chairman of the branch, CA Nirav Agrawal. Secretary of the branch, CA Sunish Shah. Vice Chairperson of the Vikasa, Vaidehi Thanki. Of the dais, Regional Council member, CA Chintan Bhai Patel. Managing Committee member and the past Chairman of the branch, CA Bisan Bhai Shah, Managing Committee member, CA Samir Chaudhary, the faculty of the first session, CA Rakesh Bhai Agrawal, who has traveled from Mumbai for us, all paper presenters present over here, and all participants. Welcome all of you, and good morning. Welcome to this national conference for the CA students organized by Board of Studies and hosted by Ahmedabad branch of the WRC and Ahmedabad branch of the Vikasa. Welcome all of you. I welcome all 2,500 participants who have come across from Gujarat, 300 to 400 from outside Ahmedabad also. I am thankful to the entire Vikasa team and the more than 100 volunteers who has worked for last 15 days for this conference up to midnight, 12 o'clock. Yesterday also they were in premise, branch premise, up to 1:30 night, and morning 7:30 a.m. they were at club premises. I'm thankful to all of you for this. We are having the 4 technical, beautiful sessions: GST, direct tax, accounting, and now the technology overcoming the AI, the technical session that we have in this conference. My best wishes to all of you for this conference and for the relaxing also. Today we have, after the today's day 1 learning in evening, we have the cultural evening also by the Girish Chawla troupe. I would request all of you to stay present after the technical session and the entire session gets over at the day 1, and you will enjoy the evening, and you can have the dinner, and then after you can join here. And tomorrow also the day 2, this power pack. Again, the best wishes to all of you, and wish you happy learning to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunil sir. Now I request Chairman of Vikasa, CA Rinkesh Shah, to address the students.
Thank you, Sunit Bhai. First President from Ahmedabad, CA Sunil Talati sir. Central Council member, under whose leadership he is also a member of Board of Studies, CCM, Purushottam Khandelwal sir. Dynamic branch, which is Ahmedabad branch, led by Chairman Sunil Sanghvi sir. Vice Chairman Nirav Agrawal, Secretary Sunit Shah. Of the dais, Regional Council member Chintan Bhai, past Chairman Bishan Bhai, MCM and my colleague Samir Bhai, faculty who came all the way from Mumbai, who is an ex-director of Reliance, Rakesh Agrawal sir, and Team Vikasa, which is represented by, on dais, by Thanki Vaidehi, future chartered accountant. I wish all the future chartered accountant to have a great learning in this 2 days conference. Friends, 2 things which invite you to the conference. One is the learning based on the various sessions, technical sessions, special sessions, and the motivational sessions. Another thing is CA logo bag. Yes or no? But let me give you the history. The first president who is sitting on the dais, the actual CA logo, the branding of CA logo was given by in his tenure in 2007. Sir, thanks a lot for giving this branding. Apart from this, if you rightly heard the speech of our Secretary Sunit Bhai, he mentioned that we have shifted from one venue to this grand venue. The permission and the efforts to get the approval from Board of Studies for this grand venue. The cap was there for the conference. Our beloved CCM, Purushottam Khandelwal, called to President Sir, this cap has to be removed only and only exclusively for Ahmedabad branch. And that kind of efforts which was done by our beloved CCM, Purushottam Sir, and that's why we are here to do this grand conference. Friends, Sunil Sir, Chairman Sir has rightly mentioned that we have meticulously drafted this conference to give you the insight about the practical world. Tomorrow, one more session, which is to be delivered by immediate past president, none other than the son of Sunil Sir, CA Aniket Talati Sir. He is going to address us on expectation of government from a future chartered accountant. So this is also one of the crucial sessions we are going to have. Friends, I request, I know you are here to enjoy. We have kept the sessions for the enjoyment, but I request all of you to take active participation not only into the technical sessions, but also into the special sessions and the motivational sessions. One important announcement as a Vikasa chairman I have to make. The token which you have got in the morning, which is a serial number, right? Please keep that token with you. You never know whenever that usage of that token will come, because you will get the bag only and only if you give that token. So please do not put it anywhere, right? आपकी जगह रोकने के लिए उसको use नहीं करना है. Please keep it with you. So thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Rinkesh bhai. I also acknowledge your efforts as well in executing this Vikasa and executing this student conference. Tremendous efforts, Rinkesh bhai. Now I request our Central Council member Purushottam Khandelwal sir to address the gathering.
गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग. सुबह सुबह नाश्ता नहीं किया लगता बराबर है, व्यवस्था नहीं थी क्या बराबर. गुड मॉर्निंग. रिस्पेक्टेड पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ICI, द फादर ऑफ इमीडिएट पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ICI, CA Sunil Bhai Talati, under his leadership, ICI passed many records. The logo, the brand has been given by none other than Sunil Bhai Talati. The chairman of Ahmedabad branch, CA Sunil Bhai Sanghvi, who organized this national convention with the team of Vikasa Ahmedabad, CA Rinkesh Bhai Shah, the architect of this program, with Vedai Thanki, secretary of the Ahmedabad branch, Sunit Bhai, my dear friend and vice chairman of Ahmedabad branch, Nirav Agrawal, of the dais, regional council member, with whom I working in the managing committee member in 2013-16, Chintan Bhai Patel, past chairman of Ahmedabad branch, CA Bishan Bhai Shah, managing committee member, Samir Bhai Chaudhary, eminent faculty, ex-director of the Reliance Group, is the advisor to the Mukesh Ambani ji, now is a senior partner of PwC, Rakesh Bhai Agrawal, and all my future chartered accountants. I welcome all of you in this national conference organized by Board of Studies, hosted by Ahmedabad branch of Vikasa, joined with Ahmedabad branch. मित्रों, ICA का लोगो है या एष सुप्तेषु जागृति, मतलब सोते हुए लोगों के बीच में जागते रहना. ये बात और है कि जो लोग पहले से जग रहे हैं उनको जगाना बड़ा मुश्किल है. Institute has been formed under the Act of Parliament in 1949, that is before adoption of the Constitution of India. The first meeting of the council was held on 15th August 1949, where the first president of ICI, G.P. Kapadia ji, invited the Finance Minister of India, and the Finance Minister of India specifically told that ICI has been created for the advice to the government to set up a corporate sector in India. So the ICI is a main body. हर किसी 2 मिनट शांति से बैठ रहो यार, उनको बोल दो. वॉलंटियर्स को, शांति से बैठे, ये सामने जाके बैठ जाओ, प्लीज गो एंड सिटिंग इन द फ्रंट। सो आईसीआई, जिसके अंदर आपके पेरेंट्स ने विश्वास किया है, आपको सीए करने के लिए भेजा है, यहां 3rd जनरेशन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है जो आईसीआई पर भरोसा कर रहे हैं। एचएम तलाटी सर, सुनील तलाटी सर, अनिकेत तलाटी सर। सो द प्रोफेशन विच इज अ प्रोफेशन ऑफ ट्रस्ट, जिसके अंदर सबको भरोसा है। मोदी जी कहते हैं कि आप अर्थ जगत के ऋषि मुनि हैं, आपका भरोसा लोगों से टूटना नहीं चाहिए। योर सिग्नेचर विल बी कैरी मोर पावर देन द सिग्नेचर ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिस कंट्री। यू कैन प्रैक्टिस फ्रॉम कश्मीर टू कन्याकुमारी, नो फर्दर लाइसेंस रिक्वायर। The same date, why I remember this date, 29th June 2013, उस समय के तत्कालीन मुख्यमंत्री और वर्तमान देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी was a chief guest for the student conference on same 29 June 2013, where 4,000 students were sitting on the front of Modi ji and 11 lakh students were watching on the live programs. उस समय उन्होंने कहा था कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट की भूमिका एक डॉक्टर से जरा भी कम नहीं है। डॉक्टर तो किसी व्यक्ति के स्वास्थ्य की चिंता करता है। जब आप उसके पास जाते हैं, अगर वो ऑपरेशन करते हुए आपका कुछ हाथ काट भी देता है तो भी आप उसको थैंक यू बोलते हैं कि आपने मेरी जिंदगी बचा ली, पीड़ा से मुक्ति दिला दी। लेकिन कितने लोगों को मालूम है कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट समाज के स्वास्थ्य की चिंता करते हैं। आप उस खिड़की के चौकीदार हैं। अगर आपने अपनी ड्यूटी अच्छी तरह से निभाई तो देश में ऐसी कोई भी कुरीतियां प्रवेश नहीं कर पाएगी जो देश को आर्थिक नुकसान पहुंचाए। आपको वो काम करना है। आप लोगों ने सीए क्यों ज्वाइन किया? सिर्फ कमाने के लिए? मैं एक उदाहरण आपको देता हूं। एक टीम किसी गांव से गुजर रही थी, वहां पे मूर्ति की घड़ाई हो रही थी। मालूम है ना, पत्थरों से तराश के मूर्ति को बनाते हैं। उनको जाके पूछा, भाई क्या कर रहे हो? बोले क्या करें, परिवार चलाना है, कुछ तो करना है, आजीविका कमा रहे हैं, मूर्ति बना रहे हैं। दूसरे को पूछा, कोई रास्ता नहीं था, चलो यही काम करते हैं। तीसरे को पूछा, उसने बताया कि मैं एक ऐसे मूर्ति का निर्माण कर रहा हूं जो किसी भव्य मंदिर में विराजमान होगी। तो आप देश के ऐसे लोग हैं जो देश की अर्थव्यवस्था को मजबूत बना सकते हैं। आपके ऊपर स्टेक होल्डर का विश्वास है और इंस्टीट्यूट डेडिकेटेड टू प्रिपेयर यूर not to earn but to how to contribute in the economy of India. We are organizing such a kind of mega event to shake us how to perform, how to plan, how to cohesive working. The conference give you the overview of planning, performance, execution. 400 people working since last 1 month to organize this event. I congratulate to Rinkesh Bhai and the entire team of Vikasa, those who are working for you. The first, we have invited 1,000 people but later on the Sunil Bhai and Rinkesh Bhai wants, then the institute said we should accommodate more student. So we have shifted venue from Sardar Place Smarak to this Club 07. ICI this year coming with one committee, AI in ICI, Artificial Intelligence in ICI. सुबह बात कर रहा था पास प्रेसिडेंट सर से कि हमारे ऑफिस में जो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है बहुत अच्छा ड्राफ्टिंग करके दे रहे हैं. बिकॉज द यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी वी आर कमिंग विद द टूल्स which will given to the members at large and student. We are coming with a tool for student which help you how to prepare an exam. Suppose the holding company question asked in last 20 years. With the click of button you will get how many questions asked in the holding company in last 20 years. Which subject is where? आपको पेपर पलटने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो आपका जीवन आसान होने वाला है. कितने लोगों को लगता है कि इंस्टीट्यूट फेल करती है? ऐसा हम कुछ नहीं करते. I got an opportunity to work in the exam committee. I have seen your performance. ICI is always help to the student. We have a robust examination system which is appreciated by the Supreme Court of India in one matter. If you want to learn how to conduct exam, you learn from ICI. ICI एक ऐसी संस्था है जहां हर व्यक्ति आके एडमिशन ले सकता है, न जाति, न धर्म, न इनकम. हम सबको इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं. किसी के लिए कुछ भी ब्लॉक नहीं है. ओनली परफॉर्मेंस इज द क्राइटेरिया. कोई भी एग्जाम करेक्ट कर सकता है. तो यह है आईसीआई की खासियत. दिस ईयर आईसीआई इज सेलिब्रेटिंग 75th ईयर ऑफ इंसेप्शन. 75 साल भरोसे के. मैं स्टैटिस्टिक्स आपको दूंगा. इन 75 सालों में आईसीआई grown by leaps and bounds. Currently, we are having 4,09,000 members, 9 lakh students, 5 regional council, 50 overseas chapter. We are the largest body in the world in terms of student and member. Now, in student, every third student is a girl student. You will try to know that the girls student is a first choice to join a chartered accountant course. I am giving you the latest figure. Out of this 4,09,000, 2,40,000 is a male member and 1,57,000 is a female member. The institute, when the institute started, the total strength was 1,685 member. Out of 1/86 member, only 537 were in industries, 1,600 were in practice. So currently, roughly we are at 1,60,000 members are in the practice, which is not a big number. भारत की 1,40,00,000 की आबादी में अगर 1,60,000 सीए हैं जो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, तो अपॉर्चुनिटी के कहां कमी है? A lot of opportunities lying, whether the analysis, insolvency, audit, income tax, GST, advisory, so many opportunities there. बस जरूरत है तो आपको पास होने की. वो बोलते हैं ना, सीए में क्या लगता है? पैसा तो हम लेते नहीं है. सीए में सिर्फ जवानी लगती है. तो आपको जरूरत है परफेक्ट प्लानिंग की, गुड एग्जीक्यूशन की, प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग की. ICAI के दो पार्ट है, वन इज अ डिस्टेंस लर्निंग एंड अनदर इज अ प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग। अगर आपने आर्टिकलशिप ढंग से नहीं करी है तो भी आगे जाके कुछ नहीं कर सकते। मैं आपको तैरने के सब सिद्धांत बता देता हूं, हाउ टू स्विम, हाउ टू जंप, कैन यू स्विम? क्या आप साइकिल चला सकते हैं? डायरेक्ट साइकिल दे दे आपको और सब लिख के समझा दूं बोर्ड पे, कैसे हैंडल करना, कैसे चलना। प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग इतनी ही जरूरी है जितना एक स्विमिंग के लिए तैयारी की जरूरत है, साइकिल चलाने की जरूरत है। और सबसे खासियत यह है प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग की, आप कुछ भी करेंगे लेकिन प्रिंसिपल की जवाबदारी रहती है, मालूम है ना? प्रिंसिपल के कंधे पे बंदूक रख के छोड़ने का आपको। जो जिन्होंने ट्रेनिंग नहीं करी है और बाद में जाके बोलते हैं कि इंस्टीट्यूट ने हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं किया, तो इंस्टीट्यूट क्या कर सकती है? आपको इतना ही सीरियसली लेने हैं जितना आप पढ़ाई को ले रहे हैं, उतनी सीरियसनेस आपको प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग की भी लेनी है। अभी लोगों में ट्रेंड चला है, ऑफिस में जाते हैं, आर्टिकल में पूछते हैं कौन कौन सी ऑडिट कर रहे हैं, छुट्टी कितनी देंगे, सब पूछते हैं ना। मुझे सर याद है जब मैंने 20 जुलाई 87 को आर्टिकलशिप ज्वाइन की थी, तब से सीए करी तब तक मैं प्रिंसिपल के सामने बैठा नहीं सर। उनको कभी पूछने की तो हिम्मत ही नहीं हुई, आज तक उनके सामने बैठा नहीं। अभी चलो काउंसिल में जाने के बाद वो जाते तो अभी बैठाते हैं, बैठता भी हूं। एक हमेशा लेने वाले का हाथ नीचे होता है, आप उनसे सीख रहे हैं। कहीं कहीं आपको लगता है कि मैं नहीं होता तो मैं ये ऑफिस कैसे चलती। हर 3 साल में आर्टिकल बदलते हैं, ऑफिस तो वो ही है। कितने लोगों ने गलत फहमी पाल रखी है कि मैं चला जाऊंगा तो सब काम खराब हो जाए। किसी का कुछ काम खराब होने वाला नहीं है। और कहते हैं सास भी कभी बहू थी, आप भी वही होंगे में आने वाले हो। तो मेरी आपसे हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप अच्छे से ट्रेनिंग जरूर करें। बोलते हैं जब इस प्रोफेशन में आप एक बार आ ही गए, चाहे वो पेरेंट्स ने उनकी इच्छा से आए हो, दोस्तों की एडवाइस से आए हो, कंपल्सन हो, लेकिन जब एक बार आ ही गए हो तो मोदी जी बोलते हैं जब मैं इस बार आ ही गया हूं तो पूरा जीवन इसमें खपा दूंगा। जब आपने कोर्स ज्वाइन ही कर लिया है तो अब आपके सामने एक ही लक्ष्य होना चाहिए। अर्जुन का क्या लक्ष्य था? सिर्फ अर्जुन को दिखता था चिड़िया की आंख। आपका एक ही लक्ष्य होना चाहिए, मैं कैसे एग्जाम को क्रैक करूं, कैसे अच्छी ट्रेनिंग करूं। उसमें जो भी भूमिका हम आईसीआई की है, इस बार आपका कोर्स हमने 2 साल का किया, बीच में कोई छुट्टी नहीं, आपको प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग अच्छे से करनी है। जीएमसीएस, आईटी, ओसी, मैंने कई बार देखा अहमदाबाद में जब हम राउंड पे गए, मैं भी कुछ दिन पहले आपको मोटिवेट करने के लिए आया था कि आप ये स्टूडेंट कॉन्फ्रेंस में आए, तो सर देखा कि लड़के बहुत कंजेस्टेड बैठ रहे हैं। आईटी, ओसी में बोलते तो बोलते हैं पाकिस्तान है, कितने लोगों ने उसमें अटेंड किया, मालूम है ना आप लोगों ने? तो वो दुविधा अनिकेत सर ने दूर कर दी है। अपने इमीडिएट पास प्रेसिडेंट सर ने एक भव्य इमारत का निर्माण किया है। इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी ब्रांच बिल्डिंग है, 1,52,000 स्क्वायर फीट की, जहां पे आप लोगों की ट्रेनिंग होने वाली है। तो इंस्टीट्यूट जो भी बन सकता है वो बन कर रहा है। अनिकेत सर के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला 2010 से, अभी काउंसिल में ब्रांच 2 प्रेसिडेंट, क्या विजन है उनका। जैसे ये लोगो बनाया था आईसीआई का, वो सर ने बनाया था, लेकिन उसको इंप्रोवाइज करते हुए सीए इंडिया का लोगो इनके सर ने दिया था। गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर अवर। So, I will not take much of time. Sunil Tadi sir is here. My best wishes to all of you. Those who are waiting for the result. कितने लोगों ने परीक्षा दी हुई है रिजल्ट का? जल्दी 10 तारीख को आपका रिजल्ट आएगा। मेरी खूब खूब शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, sir, for such an enlightening speech. You always connect to the members or whether they are the students. A big round of applause once again for him. Now I request our past president of ICAI, Sunil.
Chairman of Ahmedabad branch, Sunil and his entire team, Chairman of ICASA and the entire team of ICASA, Regional Council member Chintan Patel, Bishan Shah, one of the most learned, intelligent, hardworking and articulate chartered accountant, and my dear friend Rakesh Agarwal, to whom you are going to listen after me, and my very dear, dear friends. It's a matter of great pleasure for me to be here. And let me start complimenting and congratulating you for more than one reasons. First and foremost, my compliments to you that you have decided to be a chartered accountant, and therefore you are here. And I'm sure after some years, I will see you in the conference of chartered accountants and not in the CA conference, students conference. Secondly, for participating in such a big number that Ahmedabad branch and Vikasa people had to shift the venue from east to west. That shows you are all keen to move from east to west. Thirdly, attending in such a big number, but more than that, in a very disciplined manner. So my compliments to entire Vikasa team, not only for presenting here very well dressed, but maintaining the discipline in the house. And fourth, you are all here to see. Today is a very important day, 29th June. And you'll be wondering why. And the reason is we are going to play World Cup and we are going to be champion today. So friends, please understand and appreciate. Please understand and appreciate. Having chosen to be a chartered accountant, you have to be very clear, confident and focused that I have to be a CA and I have to be an outstanding CA. And why I say so? I would say you are all fortunate that your parents have allowed you to become chartered accountant and students accordingly. And you have determined that yes, I am going to be a chartered accountant. In this country with a population of 140 crore, you know, I was yesterday checking the statistics. In India, there are 4 lakh plus chartered accountants. But how many doctors? 14 lakh doctors. How many engineers? 20 lakh engineers. And how many MBAs? 50 lakh MBAs. 3,000 business school, 50 different programs. And out of that, we chartered accountants are only 4 lakh. Only 0.03% of the total population. Imagine the value, importance, stature and status of a chartered accountant. And you are going to achieve this very soon. And therefore, I am happy that I must tell you that no other qualification in India now is as important, as valuable, as respectful as the profession of chartered accountant is. And I'm happy that you are going to be a chartered. Be therefore very clear. Be therefore very clear. As we have seen, as it was told by Arjun, what do you see? And he was able to see only the eye of the bird. Not the bird, not the tree, not the sky. But the problem with us, or I should say problem with the younger generation, they want to see the sky, they want to see the entire tree and the birds roaming around the tree. Not only the bird also, and very little focus on the eye. So please don't do that, for God's sake. Don't do any other course simultaneously. I want to be CA and CA only. That should be your aim, that should be your mantra, that should be your focus, and that should be your concentration. That's the first advice I would like to give you. The second most important thing, yes, our institute permits, and the regulations also permit to do you one more course simultaneously. Do that. But first finish your BCom, first finish your CA, and thereafter do that. And I tell you, I can assure you in writing, राहुल नहीं बोल रहा था मैं लिख दो मोदी प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं बनेगा उस तरह नहीं but सचमुच लिख के देता हूँ once you pass chartered accountant any other exam in India either MBA or law you will be very easily able to pass it is that simple so focus on that and that difficult is the exam of CA be very clear also And none else than the Supreme Court of India has stated in its written judgment that if anyone wants to know, understand, and implement what should be the exam system, learn from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. That is a compliment. And why? Why these compliments? Let me tell you my own experience. I was really a rank holder during my school days, not so during my college days, because all the 4 years I was outside the college premises. But I had always, by and large, achieved good marks. But when I appeared in the inter CA, I failed in accounts by 1 mark. And believe me, at that time, my father, H.M. Talati, was not only a council member, but he was a member of the exam committee. And still I failed by 1 mark. Nothing can be done of whosoever son you are or whosoever your father is. But that is not enough. That is not sufficient. More than that, my own son Aniket failed in costing by 2 marks when I was immediate past president of the institute. I was in the council and I could not do anything for Aniket. But it appears, Rakesh ji, pardon me saying so, कि जो फेल होते हैं ना एक दफे वही प्रेसिडेंट बनते हैं. And why I'm saying so, don't be afraid if you are not able to clear your foundation or your inter or your finals here at the first attempt. That is not the last day. You have to be very clear that the results are still 10%, 15%. Gone are the days when we were appearing, results were 2%. But now on an average, you get the results of 10 to 15%. So all of you cannot be in that 10, because there are 90% also who will be appearing once again. And therefore be very clear, be confident, and don't be nervous or upset that yes, in spite of my hard working, in spite of my so much tuitions and guidance from so many, I could not clear. And therefore, be very clear. Don't believe on what your class teachers or classrooms or private tuitions people say. Learn everything. Read everything. The material of Institute of CA, Board of Studies is more important than what is being distributed to you privately. And more than that, now Institute has done so much for the students, which was never done in our earlier years. And therefore you are fortunate that you have online studies, you have guidance, you have online various kinds of articles, past exams and their past exam questions and their answers, and you get substantial knowledge from that. And therefore do not try to omit anything. That's a fundamental second important thing I would tell you. Don't say, ye to last time pucha tha, therefore this time nahi puchenge. You never know the examiner. Then the important point I want to tell you, what Purushottam also very clearly mentioned, is the most important aspect of sincerely attending your articleship. And if you are not that, it's very important. And therefore, let me tell you how we are different, as I mentioned, from doctors, engineers, lawyers, MBAs. We are a unique profession. We are a rare breed, rare identity. And that's why we are different. And I'm giving this example since last 20 years. You know, Modi bhi aap sunte honge, Modi bhi baar bolta hai, 80 crore logon ko maine ye diya, in logon ko ye diya. तो मुझे भी ये बात बार कहने में बहुत आनंद आता है, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. How a chartered accountant is different from the other professionals. That a foreign company from USA decided to have a very big empire and establishment in India. And therefore it advertised that wanted a CEO, but he should be a professional. So hundreds and thousands applications were received. And out of that scrutiny was made, preliminary interview was done, the secondary interview was done. And then final interview was to be decided. So the committee decided 3 persons, zeroed down on 3 important professionals. Out of them, one was doctor, another was MBA, and the third one was a chartered accountant. All 3 were selected finally in the Oberoi Hotel in Mumbai. The chief from the USA came and he decided to take the final interview. And he asked various questions to them. And all of them answered so perfectly, so precisely. He was impressed, but could not decide whom to select. So he decided to ask a practical questions. He said, okay, presume that I have selected you as a CEO. And then immediately I'm giving you a Mercedes car, 2-door convertible. Mind well, it's a 2-door, only 2-seater. And you are driving the Mercedes from Oberoi Hotel to Marine Drive. And suddenly it starts raining. And you see 3 people on the bus stop asking for the lift. One is an old lady who needs immediate hospitalization. Second is a very close friend of yours who helped you a lot, and by whose help only you could reach this profession. And third is a beautiful girl to whom you were looking when you were in the college. She was never looking at you. And now she is asking your lift. Out of 3, whom will you give the lift? Well, you only one seat. First turn came of the doctor. The doctor said, obviously, sir, mine is a very noble profession. We have been taught that patient is your God. So I will give the lift to the old lady and take her to the hospital. I said, fine, okay. Then he asked the same question to the MBA. To whom will you give the lift? MBA as usual, MBA means mane baddu avade. He said, sir, obviously whatever I am today is because of my friend. If my friend would have not been there, I would have not been MBA. So I would give lift to my friend. Then came the turn of chartered accountant. And you know what he said? Sir, it's very simple. I'll get down from the car. I'll ask my friend that take this lady to the hospital and come tomorrow to my house for coffee. I will go hand in hand with my girlfriend in that rainy season. That is the uniqueness of a chartered accountant. And you are unique. And you are going to be unique. And if you want to be really unique, mind well, only degree is not going to help you. You will not be able to answer even simple question when your interview will be taken after 2 years, when you will pass your final exams. So attend your articleship with utmost sincerity. Whatever area you are interested in, join that firm. Even if the firm is doing multifaceted services, ask your employer or the boss that you are interested in tax, you are interested in audit, you are interested in GST, or in internal audit, or in finance, but do that. Or gain all the experience of different areas, and that decide what you like the most. But never try to do that, yes, what many classrooms teachers tell you, that focus on degree, baad mein sab dekha jayega. No, focus on your training, CA aaram se ban jaoge. So friend, that is extremely important. And now let me tell you the difference between the chartered accountants of 70s, 80s and now. You're in a totally different situation, totally different platform. When we were there, when I was doing my CA in Mumbai, there was a students' conference in Madras. And believe me, during those years, only one student conference in the country. And I attended that conference. 15 days before, there was a student conference in Calcutta, 3,500 students. Yesterday, there was a students' conference at Nagpur, where Aniket was there. Another 3,000 members. Today in Ahmedabad, we have more than 2,500 conference. Institute is giving you so many platforms, opportunities to so many students that you have now nothing to beg. You have now option to choose. Second most important point is with the development of ChatGPT, AI, and so many modules given to you, you can sincerely focus and work in the specific areas where you are interested in. And that is very important. Just like in medicine, decide whether you want to be a general practitioner, charging 200 rupees by putting stethoscope, or you want to be MS or MD, specialized in operations, knee replacement, heart replacements, liver transplant. Like that, Institute has given you now 16, 17 different areas of practices, besides working in the excellent organizations and industries. So you have to take a decision on that, and that decision you can do and take only and only if you are sincerely attending your articles, working on it, and reading simultaneously. Another big opportunities that are now going to available to young chartered accountants, and I'm seeing it. When I was the president in 2007, when I went to Dubai, there were about 900 chartered accountants in Dubai who had migrated from India and working in Dubai. Today, there are 7,000 chartered accountants in Middle East working and getting handsome salary. If you see Google and see job opportunity in Dubai, 10,000 dirhams is the minimum salary that an Indian chartered accountant gets in Middle East. That is a financial reward available to you. And besides that, Institute ICAI has done MRA, Mutual Recognition Agreement, with 16 countries, USA, UK, Australia, Canada, African countries, Middle East countries. And you can go in any of these 16 countries and try your luck if you don't want to work in India. So opportunities are there, doors are available. You have to select where to go, how to go, and in which area to select. So friend, that's a lot of areas are available, and therefore I would just end by giving another example which I had been always giving with regard to the importance of your articleship. These three friends, MBA also did the law also, and he practiced in law. So a MBA, doctor, and this chartered accountant all grew. They had handsome practice, and therefore purchased a very big Mercedes car and decided to drive at the full speed. And when they were driving at the full speed, overspeeding, the car banged, and all the three met with a severe accident, and all three died. All of them. All of them straight went upstairs and went to the heaven, thinking we are the big profession, we must get entry in the heaven. There the Chitragupta said, wait, let me check your records. So first he checked the records of a doctor. Oh my God, though you are a leading doctor, when you started, you were prescribing the medicines which were not required, or you are getting commission and kickback from the pharmacy company. Oh, you forget the Caesar in the stomach while doing the operation. Oh, instead of left brain, you open the right brain. So many mistakes, 10 minor mistakes, 10 serious mistakes. Go to hell for 10 years, and then I'll shift you to heaven. It's fine. Then the turn came of the lawyer. Lawyer records were checked. Oh, you started your practice with draft and bogus affidavits. You created bogus evidences and alibis. Or the person was not there and still you pleaded before the court that person is alive. You managed with the judges for so many times. 10 minor faults, 10 serious major faults. So go to the hell for 10 years, and then I'll shift you to the heaven. Then came the turn of a chartered accountant. Again his record was checked. Oh, you never attended the articles. All the time you were attending the classes. Oh, you received the stipend, but you gave back to the manager. You signed the tax audit report without looking at the books. Oh, after you became the big, you certified Ind AS without knowing the ABC of IFRS. Too much, 10 minor faults, 10 major faults. Go to the hell for 7 years, and then I'll transfer to the heaven. So the lawyer immediately objected below, Chitragupta. 10 years to me, 10 years to doctor, and why 7 years to CA? He said he has done 3 years articles. That is the importance of articles, friends. You may feel it's like a hell, but trust me, if you want to go to the heaven, you have to pass through this sincere, dedicated efforts to learn, to gain, and to become a real chartered accountant. You must appreciate, a chartered accountant may not be as millionaire and billionaire. He may not own a private plane. He may not be able to buy a private jet or a private boat. But the respect, regards, and the social recognition and the status that a chartered accountant enjoys in the society, you will realize how much important it is. There was a time, friends, believe me, that if a daughter or a son was not getting a good, at the time of marriage age, appropriate girl or boy, he was doing the CA. And the market value was increased. लड़का क्या कर रहा है? CA कर रहा है. CA कर रहा है, वाह, तो उसकी value बढ़ जाती थी. That was the time. अब वो value नहीं है कि CA कर रहा है. सीए करने के बाद वो सीए है, ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी वैल्यू आप सोच नहीं सकते इतनी बढ़ जाएगी। आपको अगर अपनी वैल्यू बढ़ानी है, आपको अगर इंडिया की वैल्यू बनानी है, आप जब सुन रहे हैं कि यस वी आर गोइंग टू बी द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी इन द वर्ल्ड, वी आर गोइंग टू बी द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट इकोनॉमी, the way GST collection and direct tax collection is increasing, the way we see the growth in India, take it from me, friends, there is a tremendous demand of chartered accountants, and for next 5 years to come, there is going to be a tremendous demand of chartered accountants, tremendous respect and recognition of the chartered accountant. And I therefore, from the bottom of the heart, pray to God Almighty that after 2 or 3 years when I meet you, you will introduce me as a chartered accountant. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. While I was a student, you kept on inspiring me, and still knowledge-based, the same insight and the same experience that you possess. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here, sparing your time. A big round of applause for chief guest, past president of ICICI, Sunil Talati, sir. Also thanks Purushottam Khandelwal, sir, Central Council member, for always sparing the time. I am privileged here to give a big vote of thanks to all of you, to all the students. I will end up with a शायरी. ना पूछो कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफ़र का इरादा किया है. ना पूछो कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफ़र का इरादा किया है. ना हारेंगे हौसला उम्र भर, ये मैंने किसी से नहीं पर खुद से वादा किया है. More of results are about to come next week. Just a suggestion, don't worry. Baddu saru thai jase. Nothing to worry. All the best for your results, and wish you all the students a very happy CA day in advance. Thank you so much.